Hello, welcome to Tayana Solutions case study presentation. Here's a detailed explanation of the video's content designed for an Acumatica consultant or user, focusing on the problem, solution, tools, and impact, along with speaker and company information. Problem. The video highlights challenges faced when designing user interfaces in Acumatica, specifically concerning lookup fields. The core issues are complex data relationships. Users need to select values from related data tables, often with multiple columns that need to be visible in a drop-down. For instance, selecting an inventory item requires displaying not just the item ID, but also the description and warehouse information. Dimensional data input. Fields need to support structured dimensional data, such as subaccounts or segmented keys. This ensures accurate and efficient data entry. For example, subaccount selections may require predefined segments for financial entries. These challenges arise because initial implementations used basic input fields that lacked validation and user guidance, leading to errors and reduced efficiency. Clients experience difficulty selecting related data due to limited drop-down functionality. They also made errors when entering dimensional data, which led to inconsistencies in reporting and accounting. Solution. To address these issues, the video recommends using two specific Acumatica attributes. PX Selector. This attribute provides a drop-down lookup field with multi-column support. It is ideal for fields displaying related table data. When selecting an item, the drop-down will show item ID, description, and warehouse. PX Dimension Selector. This attribute is specialized for fields with dimensional data, such as subaccounts. It ensures data entry adheres to predefined structures and segments. For example, it will help with subaccount selection with sub-segment validation. By using these attributes, the video claims that users experience improved user interfaces because drop-downs now display relevant data with clear structure and validation. Dimensional data entry also adheres to predefined segments, which reduces errors. Tools used and modules impacted. Tools used. PX Selector attribute used for creating multi-column drop-down lookups for related data. PX Dimension Selector attribute used for creating drop-downs for dimensional data with validation. Modules impacted. The video does not explicitly mention which modules are impacted. However, the examples provided, inventory items and subaccounts, indicate that the changes would impact modules related to inventory and finance. Since the presentation discusses user interface, all the modules where input is required would be impacted. Example: inventory item selection. Instead of a basic input field for selecting inventory items, a PX selector would be used. The drop-down would display the item ID, item description, and warehouse, allowing users to select the correct item efficiently. Subaccount selection. Instead of a basic input field for subaccounts, a PX dimension selector would be used. This ensures that subaccount selections adhere to predefined segments and that any data entry is validated against those segments. Outcomes. Using these selectors has led to improved user experience. The drop-downs display relevant data with clear structure and validation. In addition, accuracy was enhanced by ensuring dimensional data entry adheres to predefined segments, thereby reducing errors. Client feedback showed that the new drop-downs have streamlined the data selection process, which led to improved speed and accuracy. Developer and company introduction: Mayuri, a software engineer at Tayana Solutions. She has 5+ years of experience working in the ERP space and has deep experience working with clients to implement and support ERP solutions. She has worked on over 200 unique scenarios. Her experience also includes 5 reports, 10 generic inquiries, 5 business events, 100 base screen customizations, 30 inquiry screens, and 10 mobile app customizations across all Acumatica editions. Tayana Solutions is described as the largest services partner with Acumatica Cloud ERP. The company has a team of consultants that help Acumatica partners and customers with implementation, customization, and support for the software. They can be contacted to help speed up and optimize processes, resolve support cases, and aid on-site consultants. They can be contacted at 678-9102-7 and 4.